I just got everything tightened up and finished up the other day off camera, and it looks absolutely... I've never painted anything or done anything like this before, and it turned out pretty well. I didn't think it was actually even going to turn out this good. I'm going to take it for a little send. It's not quite finished yet. I need to finish this light and make some better mounts because these mounts are made for bigger forks. I'll maybe put some like radiator holes or something in there and then hook the battery up. But I just wanted to get out the video out as soon as possible because I haven't posted one in like 2 or 3 weeks. But I'm going to go take it for a little send, and it's just looking a whole lot better than I thought it would. So thanks for watching. I was thinking about selling it. I'm not sure how much I would sell it for. I was thinking around $850 or $900, but I might keep it for a while first, seeing how good it turned out. Leave in the comments how much you think I should sell it for. Let's go send it. I'm going to do a quick rundown on everything that we bought for the bike and install on it and anything that we modified. First, I got this gas tank, and I think that was like 40 bucks on Amazon. New jets for the carburetor because some of you guys have commented, and I know you're not supposed to put duct tape on the carburetor to have air come in. That was just a temporary thing. New springs for the throttle. Took the old gas tank off because this one's up here, and that's going to save a lot of room. And now that's more room to put like a battery box for the light and stuff. Obviously painted the fenders, new headlight, battery for the battery box thing, twist grip for the throttle cable on this side, not twist grip, just hand grip guard. Painted the wheels, frame, and I'm sure there's a lot of stuff I'm forgetting because I bought a lot of stuff for it. In the end, it ended up being about $240. Oh, we also got a new torque converter cover, and I did an oil change. So I'm going to be selling this pretty soon. I was thinking pretty soon, but I might keep it for a while now, seeing how good it rides and looks. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.